In this video, you will have an overview of what is OpenAPI, its purpose, and its various benefits. OpenAPI refers to a specification used to document the APIs using standardized formats. The formats used are either JSON or YAML. It contains a set of rules and guidelines to define an API. This image shows a sample OpenAPI that is used to define APIs for a college management system. The left side pane refers to the OpenAPI specification, whereas the right side refers to the same specification displayed in a nice UI format. OpenAPI is a language agnostic specification for describing APIs. This means it can be used to describe APIs without tying it up with any specific language. The APIs defined can be used to implement any of the programming languages as per the preference of the developer or the team. Let us look at some of the key benefits of using OpenAPI. First, it helps immensely in designing an API. Since it is language agnostic, we can define an API in generic terms and collect feedback from others before implementing it. Any feedbacks are then easily incorporated into the design. Once the API design is frozen, we can use the OpenAPI document to generate server-side stubs to implement the API. It provides a quick template for the developer to start working on the project. Similarly, it allows generating client-side SDK by the clients or any third-party systems. There are many languages they can choose while generating the SDK against the OpenAPI. Also, it can be used as a test client to test the various operations defined in an API. Since this API document captures the list of operations, their parameters, expected request and response format, etc., it becomes a lot easier for various tools to allow testing the APIs accurately. Next, in case a developer already had implemented an API or is working with a legacy application, then using various OpenAPI tools, he or she can generate API documents from these source codes. The set of tools available depends upon the programming language a developer uses. Finally, it allows non-technical members to understand the API better without the need for programming experience. As you can see from this example, it is easier for anyone to understand the API from its corresponding UI representation. Some of you might be wondering what is the difference between OpenAPI and Swagger. How OpenAPI is different from Swagger? Let us see that next.